Just wanted to make a quick video about my drill press that uses a right-angled drill attachment to allow me to move the crank to the front of the table. That way you can move the table up and down easily instead of reaching over the entire thing, as you can see here. The main component of this is just this right-angled drill attachment I had, and all it is some automotive studs that were able to thread into this particular piece, some couplers and some threaded rod pinned with some small machine screws I had. Here's a close-up shot of the whole thing. It's very simple, very lightweight, readily available. The mounting system is just two toggle clamps and a positive stop. You can see once the toggle clamps are engaged, it pinches the wood against the bed and it will not move anywhere. It needed to extend the locking arm of this whole unit, so all that is just a threaded rod cut up to accept the stock bolt and handle. There's some pictures of the general construction of the whole unit. There's nothing new or revolutionary about this, just what I chose to do with mine that fits my needs. I hope someone got some ideas out of this. This is just something I haven't seen, but I had one of these right angle drill attachments, so I wound up using it. Thanks for watching.